Welcome to Geological Exploration YouTube channel. Today we will see about what is the difference between these two rocks. One rhyolitic rock, this one YRG9, and this YRG2 is Ignimbrite rock, and this one is a rhyolitic rock. How to know the difference in the field? How can we differentiate these two felsic rocks and have mostly similar in the field? To differentiate to these rocks, we can know about its formation, its texture, and also the difference is its structure, and also the hardness and fails. There is a quick field identification tips. We'll see in detail about these two rocks, how to differentiate in the field. First one is formation. Formation is a big difference between these two rocks, this rhyolitic and this Ignimbrite rock. The formations of this rhyolitic rock is formed from lava flows, slow moving and viscous lava flow formed this felsic lava flow formed this rhyolitic rock. And this one is Ignimbrite rock. The formation of this Ignimbrite rock is formed from the pyroclastic flow, hot ash plus glass cloud from explosive eruption. The formation of these two is this one. And the main difference of this one in the field, differential in the field, is in the rhyolitic fine grain. Have not seen any grains, often uniform grains, and may show some flow banding. You see this flow banding, these flow bandings, and contains small crystals, phenocryst like quartz or feldspar. There is some fine grained quartz, but not clear in here. Sometimes glassy, similar to obsidian. Not this one, not glassy. This one is fine grained and rhyolitic rock. Ignimbrite rock. Have you seen this fiamme? Fragmental crustic texture. There is clastes. There is obsidian. There is pumice. There is so much clastics in here. Have you seen the space? There is a clastes. There is a fiamme. Okay, contains flattery pumice fragments called fiamme. Pumice fragments like this is pumice fragments, and look like compressed ash layers. Compressed ash layer looks like that, and they often poorly sorted, mixed size of fragment. There's a mixed size of fragment. This one is large, this one is some medium, this one is small, and the other fine grained. There is a mixed texture in Ignimbrite rock. So the other difference is that this rock structural difference. Structurally, there is a different. This rhyolitic rock is very dense, like a glassy, like obsidian sometimes. Very fine and dense and clear break and sharp. And Ignimbrite can be softer, can break simply, and compared to rhyolite, there is soft. And welded Ignimbrite can be hard, but still shows fragment. Within a fragment, you can differentiate it. And the other tip is that simply quick field identification tip for these rocks are number one, see flow bands and uniform texture. If you see in the field a flow band and uniform structure, a flow band like this, a flow band and uniform texture, this rock is likely a rhyolitic rock. If it is soft and flattened pumice, ash layer and mixed fragment, is this Ignimbrite rock. This like this, you see, like this. And the other one is look like compressed volcanic ash deposit. This compressed mixed and compacted volcanic ash deposit like that is Ignimbrite, and look like solidified lava. If you see solidified and harder lava, this is a rhyolitic rock. In the field you can know about now, it's clear to differentiate this felsic rock. Mostly in igneous terrain you get these rocks, this one rhyolitic and Ignimbrite rock. You have cleared that. So this today's lesson is about how to differentiate these two felsic rocks of igneous rocks, pumice and rhyolite. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for Geology Wonders YouTube channel. Next we will see the other rocks, how to differentiate. Thank you very much. Bye bye.